Berkshire Bluey Railfan? Oh my gosh. This user is the worst. Because, reason 1, he or she was mean to C&AYETOT. Reason 2, he or she acts like a big jerk to C&AYETOT. And final reason, he or she acts like an immature user. Hoping this user to get terminated. I don't know who likes this user, but the one who hates this user. C&AYETOT the BFDI and the Caldoan Fanatic 2020. He requested me to rant on this user. So Berkshire Bluey Railfan sucks. And so does Paddington the user. C&AYETOT is infinity times better than Berkshire Bluey Railfan. End of rant.